So excited for my stevia delivery that just came today. I've been wanting to grow stevia in my mom's garden, and they're notoriously hard to germinate. And I have, sheesh, 2 out of 25 from a seed packet that I grew that are less than the size of a Tic Tac. All right, kitty. I think this came from California. Let's see. I ordered 2 stevia plants, so let's see how. I'm terrified to open this up because I'm afraid I'm going to open up and there's going to be like 2 dead plants. Because they came and it took like a week to ship. And they always say it's so hard to transport plants. Let's see what we got. Holy moly. Wee doggy. Did they literally put 4 in here? Wow. I cannot believe this. I got more than my money's worth out of this. I cannot believe it. Look at that. Look at that, kitty. Wow. Check that out. Check it out. Wow. That is sweet. That is sweet. Wow. Open this up. Look at that. Stevia. It might be a little rough. I'm not sure what it's supposed to look like. See a little bit of brown spots, but I'm definitely going to bring that back to life. I'm so excited. You don't even imagine. They don't sell these things locally. You cannot find stevia plants in my area. Don't you? My cat loves to eat like everything that I grow. No, get away from it. There it is, stevia. Wow. Look at that. 3 more. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be like propagating these. Can't wait to get the seeds. This is exciting. Hope you liked the video.